Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan for all of us. The Honorable Rector of UMC Jakarta, Mr. Raffi Raihan Amir SOS MIP. The respectable Vice Rectors, Head of Dean, Lectures and Staff of UMC Jakarta. The respectable Executive Chief MC First Session 20 and 24, Mrs. Felita Wahyu Andrian. The respectable speaker, Mrs. Atria Solehandayani Khair SI Com MSc, who's gonna fill this morning event. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to say the utmost gratitude towards God for His gift so we can together in this very happy morning. Hereby, I, Salwa Aulia, with honor will be the master of ceremony in this event, namely, Speak Now, Empowering the Youth Through Public Speaking. As you know, I'm gonna read the agendas. On this very happy morning, I will present the agenda as follows. First, opening. Second, singing Indonesia Raya song. Third, greeting. Fourth, reciting a little information of our speaker. Fifth, main lecture. Sixth, question session. And last, closing. For the first agenda is opening. Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin our event today by praying according to your own belief. Alright, let's be moving to the next agenda. It is singing Indonesia Raya songs. Ladies and gentlemen, with honor, please stand up. Alright, all of the audience, please sit back to your seat. Boys, girls, please sit back to your seat. Okay, thank you. Alright, let's be moving to the third agenda. It is greeting. Alright, as you know, in this greeting, we would welcome to our rector of UMC Jakarta. Would you please welcome Mr. Raffi Raihan? Time is yours, Mr. Raffi. Thank you, Mr. Raffi, for your insightful statement and speech in this very happy morning. All right, let's be next to the fourth agenda. It is reciting a little information of our speaker. All right, as you know, our speaker name is Atria Solehandayani Khair. She born in Jakarta at July 8, 1997. Today, she worked as a news anchor of CNN Indonesia and also as a public speaking content creator. She has Bachelor of Communication Science at the National Development University Veteran Jakarta. After that, she took a master's degree in Media, Communication, and International Journalism major at the University of Glasgow. Her passion in the communication sector has led her to the various achievements. One of them is she received the certification by BNSP RI as a public speaker, which of course we know that she is very talented. As a content creator, she had 2 million followers. Wow. She also famous as a public speaking trainer and the master of ceremony for various events. Today, luckily, we have her as our presenter. Would you please welcome Mrs. Atria Solehandayani? Thank you, Mrs. Atria. It was a very precise and relevant presentation. I believe all of us in this room must be very inspiration by your presentation. Alright, then let's move on to the sixth agenda. It is question session. For anyone who has the question for Mrs. Atria, please raise your hand and say your name. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your questions. And thank you too for Mrs. Atria for answering all of that. Alright, question session is remarks as the end of our event. The last agenda is a closing. In the closing, I would like to give a little conclusion from our event. First, the effect of vocal expressions. A public speaker needs to be reminded that words have a different impact by applying a different vocal expressions. Doing it in the right way will be better to give the impact to the audience, whereas doing it in the wrong way would be give the misunderstanding. So that is that vocal expression is really important. Second, by Mrs. Atria, respect the audience. Like Mrs. Atria said that a public speaker cannot perform without any audience. This is a sign that a good public speaker is the one who can understand the audience. Alright, that's all from me. As the Master of Ceremony and represent the entire Comet organizer, I would like to say thanks for everyone who involved in this event. Thank you for your participation. And we apologize if there are any words we said which did not please for you. And please give applause once again to Mrs. Atria. Thank you. Hopefully, today's event can provide your new information about public speaking. Alright. I am the Master of Ceremony asked for my leave. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Shanti Shanti Om. Nama budaya, salam kebajikan. Bye.